Question number 8 of exercise 7C. Ethan and Michael start moving toward each other at the same time. Okay, so means they are not standing together, they are moving from opposite direction and they are coming toward each other. That is the first part of the question showing. Given that Ethan is cycling at a constant speed of 20 km per hour and Michael is walking at a constant speed of 7 km per hour, draw a distance time graph to illustrate this information. Use your graph to find how long it will take for them to pass each other, the time when they will be 5 km apart. This is the thing which I have to find in this given question. Distance time graph. This will be 10 km, 20 km, 30 km, and 40 km. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 km. This will be there. And they are saying that they are moving toward each other, but they are not giving us, okay, they are not telling us, okay, what will be the time. They are not giving us any clock. So I'm going to say, okay, this is 0 hours. Over here, I'm going to take 1 hour. Okay, over here, I'm going to take 1 hour. Then this will be coming as 2 hours. Then this will be your 3 hours. And one more I'm going to do. Over here, it will be 4 hours. Okay, time is given in kilo hours. Over here, time is given in hours. And over here, this is given in kilometer. Distance is given in kilometer and this is given in hours. Okay, now they have given us that they are 32 kilometer apart. So first of all, I'm making it in this way that it is 32 kilometer apart. Okay, now Ethan and Michael are moving toward each other. So maybe one of them is over here and maybe one of them is over here. Now it's your choice wherever you want to put Ethan and wherever you want to put Michael. You can put Ethan on the top and Michael at the bottom, or you can put Michael at the top and Ethan at the bottom. It's completely your choice. Now, what I'm doing over here is that I'm taking Ethan over here. This is my Ethan, which I'm going to plot over here. Okay, Ethan will be moving from this point. This is going to be Ethan. Okay, Ethan is over here and I'm having Michael over here, right? I'm having Michael over here. So I will be working in this way that Michael distance will be calculated in this form and Ethan distance will be calculated in this form. Okay, now what they are saying over here that Ethan is cycling at a constant speed of 20 km per hour. Ethan is right now cycling at 20 km per hour. Right? So what will I do? That whole distance is of 32 km per hour. The whole distance is of 32 km per hour. See, the distance is equals to 32 km. Now, for Ethan, speed is 20 km per hour. It means that how much time will be taken when I'm going to have Ethan, when Ethan will cover the whole distance, how much time will be taken? That will be equals to when I'm going to apply the formula, that is speed equals to distance upon time. So I have to find time over here. So time is distance upon speed. So when I will simplify it, my time is going to be 1.6 hours. Okay, my time is going to be 1.6 hours. And when I will convert it in minutes, I'm going to have 1 hour and 36 minutes. Okay, which will be a little bit difficult for me to do the plotting. Now, when it comes for Michael, for Michael, distance is same, but the speed is 7 kilometer per hour. Then, but the speed is 7 kilometer per hour. And again, I have to find time, which is distance upon speed. So when I will do the same working over here again, so my time will be coming, a very haphazard time is coming over here, 4.571 hours. And when I will convert it into minutes, it will be 1 minute. When I will be, it's 7 kilometer. So 20 divided by 7 will be a little bit 2.85. Okay, the time is coming 2.85. 2.8571. And when I will convert it into minutes, this is going to be a little bit, again, haphazard thing will be there. So what I'm trying to do over here, I'm not going to try to follow this thing which I have shown over here. I'm trying, okay, no, I don't want to do this one. I'm trying a new thing over here. See, Ethan's speed was 20 kilometer per hour. So it means in 1 hour, he must have covered 20 kilometer. Okay, so I will use this one to join my line. Ethan is starting from here, and by passing from this point, I will be taking it to the destination. See, this is my plotting for Ethan, right? Ethan was moving with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So I've got this thing. Now Michael is standing at 32 kilometer milestone. Right now, Michael is standing at 32 kilometer milestone. And when he is going to travel in the reverse direction, for 7 kilometers, so what will happen? Right now, he's starting at 32. 7 kilometers subtracted means after 1 hour, he should be at 25. Okay, after 1 hour, he should be at 25. So what I'm going to do over here, at 1, this will be the 25 mark. At 1, this will be the 25 mark over here. So now what I'm going to do for Michael, I'm going to make another line over here. I'm making it in a different color, so it will be very visible for us to know what is happening. See, it is passing from that red dot, and I'm bringing it till this end. And this is your graph over here. This is the plotting of your graph. I'm not using this part, so I have erased it. I have used this thing. Ethan is moving with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So for 1 hour, I have marked it on 20, and then I have passed a line from 0 to 20 till destination of 32 kilometer. In the same way, I have got a one thing from here, 30, and Michael was standing at 32, and 32 minus 7 is 25. So in 1 hour, Michael should be at 25. This is 1 hour 25 mark. So from this point, passing from this, taking till the end point, I have got this thing. This is my distance time graph, which was needed. The key part of the question is saying, how long will it take for them to pass each other? How long will it take them to pass each other? So this is the point where they are passing each other. Okay. So see, I'm connecting it over here and I'm bringing it till the end, till this point. So this is the time which I have got over here. Okay. So what will be the time over here? Right now, this is 1 hour. And from 1 hour to 2 hour, we have got 60 boxes. From 1 hour to 2 hours, we have got 60 boxes. Okay. 60 minutes. From 1 hour to 2 hours, we have got 60 minutes over here. And 60 minutes are being represented by over here 20 boxes. 60 minutes are being represented by 20 small boxes. So it means 60 divided by 20 will be 3 minutes per box. 3 minutes per box is there. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the working. One box means after 1 hour, one box means 3 minutes. Another 3 minute means 6 minutes. Another 3 minute means 9 minutes. And then almost at half. So it will be around, according to my graph, it is coming 1 hour and I can say 10.5 or I can say 11. 10 hour and 1 hour and 11 minutes. This much time was taken for them to meet each other. This much time was being taken. Okay. So this is your B part, that it took 1 hour, 11 minutes to meet each other. Now, in the next part, C part, they are saying the time when they are 5 kilometers apart. The time when both of them are 5 kilometers apart. So what will I do over here? When we say the word of that it is 5 kilometers apart, you can see that in this line, 5 small boxes means 5 kilometers. Okay, 5 small boxes means 5 kilometers. Over here, this is also 5 kilometers. This is means I have to find out between these two lines where are the 5 small boxes difference is given. I have to find out that where is 5 small boxes distance are given. Okay, so see, at this point, if I'm seeing from this point to this point, right over here where I'm marking my blue line, see there is a difference of 5 boxes. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box. So at this one point, my 2 lines or my 2 persons are 5 kilometers apart. When I'm saying the word of 5 small boxes, so basically I'm using a 1 centimeter graph. It means I have to check that where in the line there is a difference of 1 centimeter between these 2 lines. Okay, and I'm going to use the same thing, okay, to make another one on the other side also. So see, I'm selecting this line and now I'm taking it over here, so I can see where I'm going to adjust it. And maybe at this point where my line is right now, over here it is going to be another difference of 5 boxes, 5 small boxes. So first of all, I have used left one, and then it is a distance of 1 centimeter. Then I have taken my scale and I have checked where there is a difference of 1 centimeter on the other side also. Okay, so wherever it is, that will be my second point, because they are not after meeting, they are not stopping over there. They are just continuing in their own direction. So first of all, this is 5 kilometers before they have met, and this is 5 kilometers after they have met. And now I have to find the time, that at what time this whole meeting was being done. So we have asked for the time at which all this is happening, where they are 5 kilometers apart from each other. So now what I'm going to do over here, I'm taking, like this is the first line. So I'm taking it and straight I'm connecting downward. So first of all, they are at 1 hour, they are 5 kilometers apart. And now I'm doing the same working from on this line. Okay, I'm doing the same working over here. So this is my second point. So what I'm having over here, 5 kilometers apart. That has happened once they were, when the time was 1 hour, and at the second time this is happening, what is the time I'm having over here? I'm going to check this one. This is 1. My 1 box is equals to 3 minutes. That was shown over here. So see how many boxes I have got. From 1 to this one, 5 means 15 boxes. Then 1 more box, 18 box. 1 more box is 15, 18, 20, 24, 25. According to my working, it is coming 1 hour and 25 minutes. A little bit of difference will be totally fine. Okay, so right now I am getting around 1 hour, 1, 2, 3. So takriban almost it is 24-25 minutes. So they are 5 kilometers apart. Once it was 1 hour, and once it was 25 minutes. A little bit of difference is totally fine. If it is like you are getting in the working 1 hour 21 minutes or 1 hour 28 minutes. So this much working, this much estimation will be allowed in this question, and that is your C part, that they are 5 kilometers apart at 1 hour and at 1 hour 22 minutes approximate.